How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are having a great day with everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. As always in this podcast, we will talk about many interesting topics, share opinions, and have a relaxing discussion together. So, before we begin, don't forget to relax, enjoy the conversation, and stay tuned until the end because today's episode is going to be really interesting. And of course, I'm not alone today. I already have a special guest here with me who will join today's discussion. Alright everyone, our guest has already joined us today. Hello, welcome to Sunnah Special Podcast. Thank you so much for spending here today. How are you?
Hello, thank you for inviting me. I'm doing great today and I'm really happy to be part of this podcast.
Glad to hear that. Before we start the discussion, could you please introduce yourself our listener?
Oh, of course, my name is Nuruli Fatimah Arifiani. I'm very excited to join today an episode, share, and some talk with all of you.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm sure today's discussion will be very interesting and meaningful. Alright, before we move into the main discussion, I think today's topic is very important, especially for young people nowadays. In this modern era, many people look for a role model from social media, celebrity, or public figure. But sometimes we forget that Muslims already have the best example in life, which is Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So, in today's episode, we are going to talk more deeply about why Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is called the Prophet as a role model, and what lesson we can learn from his character in our daily lives. Alright, let's move to the main discussion. When people heard the phrase, the Prophet as a role model, what does it actually mean?
Basically, it means that Prophet Muhammad SAW is the best example for all people. Muslims are encouraged to follow his good character and behavior in every life. He showed honesty, kindness, patience, humility and responsibility to his action and behavior. That is why his life is still inspiring millions of people around the world until today.
I think one of the most inspiring things about Prophet Muhammad SAW is the honesty. Even before becoming a prophet, many people trusted him.
Yes, that's true. Before becoming a prophet, he was known as Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy, because people trusted him very much. By following his example, young people can build good character, create positive relationship, and become better individuals in society.
Not only honesty, but I also admire the prophet passion and kindness toward other people.
Exactly, even when people treated him badly, Prophet Muhammad SAW still respond with kindness and forgiveness. One famous example is when a woman used to throw garbage on his part every day. It started and becoming angry. The Prophet Muhammad reminded Christian when the woman became sick, he even visited her.
That story really teaches us an important lesson about kindness and faithfulness.
Yes, especially for young people today, we can learn many important values from Prophet Muhammad SAW. We can learn to respect others, speak politely, control our emotions, and treat people with kindness. The Prophet also taught we to be patient and forgiving even when facing difficult situations.
Besides, teach about kindness and leadership, Prophet Muhammad SAW also taught people an importance of civility and gratitude in life. What do you think those values are important today?
I think those values are very important because many people today focus too much on wealth, popularity, and social status. Prophet Muhammad SAW showed us the true happiness based on calm from luxury and from gratitude, faith, and having others.
That's really meaningful, listen. Even though he was a great leader, the Prophet lived a simple life and never sought anyone.
Yes, exactly. Prophet Muhammad SAW always appreciated what they had and so people for the remnant in every day, every situation. He also reminded Muslims and to compare themselves to match with others and to focus in self-improvement instead.
I think the message is very relevant for young people today, especially in the age of social media where many people often compare their lives with others.
That's true. By following Prophet example, young people can to live more appreciated, be grateful, and positively simple thing in life.
Well, we have reached the end of today's discussion. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and knowledge with us today. From this discussion, we can learn that Prophet Muhammad SAW is truly the best role model for all of us. His honesty, kindness, faith, and humility are values that we should protect in our daily lives.
Thank you for having me today. I hope this discussion can maybe inspire to many people, especially young people, to follow the good example of Prophet Muhammad SAW.
And thank you to everyone who has listened to Student Spectrum today. Don't forget to stay positive, keep learning, and see you in the next episode. As your host, I would like to take my leave. Thank you so much for attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
الليل يا ليلى يعاتبني ويقول لي سلم